Hello guys, welcome back to RD3. We are here at All Aboard XP by Gaming Library and we have here Chief Meeple of Gaming Library, Hanz Fernandez.
Hi guys.
Woo! Start things off. Congratulations, next year, 15th year anniversary of Gaming Library. So, are there any special plans, promos, or any special upcoming events for 2026?
So for our 15th year anniversary, we're cooking up a lot of things that are building on top of each other. The very first one is, of course, we want to thank all of our loyal customers who have supported us for 14 years and up. We have something special in store for you. I don't know when this video will come out, but there's a loyalty program boost. You get double the points as part of our promotions for Black Friday sale, and I think in December. You would want to achieve that loyalty membership because you guys will have a lot of special perks for our 15th year anniversary. We're gonna announce it pretty soon, but it's very comprehensive. Whether you're a fan of just playing board games or collecting board games, or are into the competitive scene, there's a lot more that we will unveil for our 15th year anniversary. We're trying to build everything all together, and it will sort of come together in All Aboard Expo 2026.
Talking about All Aboard Expo 2025 was very successful. We've been there for the whole 4 days. I want to ask, what was the inspiration behind creating All Aboard Expo?
Okay. Well, we've been doing All Aboard. It started out as a community gathering event. Actually, if you are part of the Facebook groups, you'll see na there's a bit of nostalgia going on. A lot of people are posting like 2011 pictures of the first gathering.
Yes.
Yeah. All Aboard came from the idea of Open Gaming Meet, where it's basically a community-driven event where everyone comes together and play board games. When All Aboard came in, we brought the idea of Open Gaming Meet, but more into malls, with the goal of being able to get new players into the hobby. I think, technically All Aboard is gonna celebrate its 15th year also next year. But we had the general idea of that from its origin. It's really about bringing everyone together to play board games. And then at the same time, it's just that this year we were lucky we were able to upgrade it to an expo convention level.
For the next question, what was your key takeaway or your highlights for this year's event, for the All Aboard Expo 2025?
I guess one of the key highlights that I've had is one, it's been a pleasure to work with the Quezon City government. Mayor Joy really espouses good governance, and I've seen it from top to bottom with how we've been able to work with them in all different aspects. So for me, I've seen firsthand, if the government works, it really works.
Yes.
That's something I'm really happy to share and be proud about. We're excited that we were able to bring one of the things that I think is missing in the Philippines, which is we want to be able to host an event that is on par, at the very least, with other international conventions. So we've always had this idea that for Filipinos, we want to go abroad. It's a pleasure to go abroad. But then at the same time, we can be proud of the Philippines where, they should be coming to us and celebrate with us and enjoy games with us. And that's something that we want to be able to do. Like in our opening program, we did say that we want to make Quezon City the board game capital of Southeast Asia, not just the Philippines.
I even saw Mayor Joy playing games on multiple days. She even played Beyblade upstairs.
Fun fact, Mayor does play games. It's not for show. It's not for show. She plays with her family. The whole idea of this event really came together because she has experience playing games. Her favorite game is Ticket to Ride. And actually, that's something that we thought was in line with her vision as well. We, as much as possible, we didn't want to force the issue, yung picture or something like that. But I'm really proud to say that she does play games. You saw Mayor playing there, but actually her family was in the background playing as well. Not with her, but with other community. Yes.
Our next question is, looking ahead for All Aboard 2026, can you tease any surprises or any features that will happen for next year's event, if it's okay with you.
So the first one is we did announce Tom Vassell. Tom Vassell is the #1 board game reviewer on, I guess, the whole world. Dice Tower is widely regarded as the OG when it comes to content creation in the board game industry. He's been doing it since before 2010, actually, and almost synonymous. A lot of people can trace to their first board game video to watching a Dice Tower video. So that's one. We have 4 convention exclusives that are being prepared. I cannot reveal any of that yet as of now, contractually. But the theme of next year is animals. So if you're a fan of animal games, you have an inkling on what those games will be. We did reveal the floor plan, so a lot of publishers have confirmed to come. I think as of today, we're fully booked for the main dealer hall. We're hoping for fans of Unmatched, we have a very special surprise for you. Because as of this morning, the tournament for next year, it's gonna be 2 days, and it will be called the Asia Championship.
Oh,
Yeah.
Asia Championship.
So the official Unmatched Asia Championship is here in the Philippines. Yeah.
Wow, let's give that a round of applause. Happening in the Philippines.
Yes.
You heard that here. Since you said earlier that this year was already packed, next year is already packed as well. Is there a chance for next year? 3rd floor?
So what I can tell you is the Quezon City and Gaming Library are working together to add more capacity. Right now, we have done some relayouts. I think you'll see that on the first floor plan, to add more gaming space. The second one is the city is fast tracking as much as possible the construction of my center to add more space. And we have already indicated to them that we think that next year there will be way more people. The city has been constantly asking us for pre-registrations. So for you guys, please pre-register. Kahit hindi pa sure, mag-pre-register na kayo, because actually that's data that the government is using to make sure that we can anticipate the number of people that everyone can be accommodated. Earlier this year, I remember we only were hoping for about 4,000 to 5,000 people. We ended at 10, so we had to close We had to close online registration. Actually, for Saturday and Sunday.
My friends and I were looking for tickets ng Saturday and Sunday. Then we were looking at the website. Then there's no tickets anymore.
So we anticipate that it will sell out, especially once you start hearing all of the things that we have in plan for you.
So guys, we're gonna put the pre-registration link down below in the description. So please go register. Pero tira nyo kami ng tickets. You are a gamer. You are a board gamer.
Mhm.
So I'm going to ask you this personal question. What is your favorite game right now?
Right now. Okay. So my favorite game right now is a game called Harmonies. So that's something I really like. It's a very cozy game where you're building a habitat and inviting animals to stay there. I like seeing patterns kasi. The next one there is a game called Arc Nova, which is a very heavy game about building the best zoo. It tickles my mind kasi it's more of a race, a point generation race. So I like those types of games. All time though, I still have to say it's still Twilight Struggle. Twilight Struggle is a simulation of the US versus the USSR for the Cold War era.
That's really interesting.
Yes, and you could see how every little bit of history is unfolding with that game. So those are my top games at different stages of my board game career.
Gaming Library has always have a very impressive catalog. So can fans or can board gamers expect the lineup to grow even more for next year? Especially it's the 15th anniversary and maybe more TTRPG titles or other exciting games since 15 years.
So Well, board game side, there's always more and more board games every year that are coming out. I think there's at least 5,000 new games coming out per year.
5,000. Wow.
But that we can't bring them all in, but we try to expand as much as we can. We're gamers at heart. So most of the time, even if it doesn't make business sense, we do bring the game in. As for tabletop RPG, yes, that is the category we are looking in. I just got Daggerheart, and hopefully, we're talking to Darrington Press and Critical Role. Something comes out. I don't know. We haven't signed anything yet.
Please tag them. Please tag them on
this
on this video. Yes.
Yes,
Tag
para they could see that they have fans here in the Philippines.
Even our members played Daggerheart and they really love it.
Yeah.
So please tag them and let us play Daggerheart.
Yeah, and tell them to join All Aboard Expo 2026.
Yes. In terms of community naman, community engagement has been a big part of gaming library. So how do you see the tabletop and the board game scene grow in the next years?
So I think naturally, that one of the best things about board games is that there's not much gatekeeping happening in the community because everyone is looking for more people to play with. I think board games and RPGs by its very nature welcomes people to the fold, and that's something that we want to highlight. All Aboard Expo is something that we want to be all inclusive, and that's why we're hoping that the end goal of Gaming Library and actually All Aboard is to bring people together through gaming. We went from 1,700 in our last main event in 2024 in Shangri-La to 10,500 in Quezon City MICE Center. That's an exponential level of growth considering that we are not in a mall. Talagang sinadya ng convention goers yung event, and I think that we're primed at that level where who knows, maybe next year is 20,000 people.
Sobrang jam-pack talaga.
Yeah.
From first day to fourth day, everyone was just having fun, and I just want to say thank you for having that, because everyone in our team loved it. I think everyone who went there loved it. I saw the kids play games. Then maski ako nahirapan doon sa mga pang baby games.
The smart game.
I think lahat ng ages pwedeng pumunta sa All Aboard.
Yeah, we make sure because I'm a parent. I have kids, and then a lot of our team members have kids also, and we want to make sure that as young as 3, 4, there are games that are available there. That's something that we keep adding. Sometimes our most loyal fan base would even ask us, why do you have kids games, right? And that's something because we personally experience. Now we want our kids to play games, so everyone starts somewhere, and that's one of our goals, right? We can't give the Witcher game to a 5-year-old, right? But then at the same time, I want them playing games as young as they can be. So that's our goal. We have games for kids all the way to the heavy gamers.
Yeah. Okay. And our last question, for those who may be attending All Aboard Expo next year for the first time, what is your message to them?
Pre-registered.
Yes, pre-register. And what do they expect since this is their first time?
The 2025 edition was a very huge learning experience for us. 2026, we have started to apply what we've learned from 2025. If you guys are going, what we can tell you is we have tried to take in as much feedback that the community gave and all of the fans gave, and see how we can improve things. In terms of pricing, Libre QC residents are still free to go. For kids 12 years old and below, it's still free to go. And that's something that we try to maintain as much as possible. And what you can expect is there will be a lot more exclusives. There's a lot more guests for sure. If you're fans of board games, you will be very happy with the lineup. That much I can tell you. And then at the same time, I think there will be more activities. For example, we're looking at how to better improve game design. So we're we're hoping to be able to improve the panel for game
There
designers.
are more panels
Yes.
for next year.
And then at the same time, for artists and illustrators, we have an artist alley, but then also we will also conduct a workshop or seminar for talented Filipinos to be able to get projects with international publishers. So that's something that we want to be able to do as much as we can, because All Aboard is an opportunity for Philippines to really shine, not just in terms of purchasing power of games, playing of games, but also our talented workforce when it comes to skills. That's also one of Quezon City's advocacies, to provide opportunities to people, not just to play games, but also to improve the livelihood of people as well.
Guys, excited na ba kayo? Kasi excited na ako. Excited na ba kayo? Excited na ako. Like, just doing this interview right now, I just want to skip ng 2026.
Wag muna, we need time to prepare.
So guys, pre-register for All Aboard 2026. We're gonna put the description down below. Link down below.
Just take note, there's an early bird pricing for the convention. The early bird is only until February. So after that, tataas na yung price ng tickets. And therefore, I highly recommend that you guys pre-register. Also, if you take note, there are 2 additional passes. It's called the Bakunawa Pass, and then there's the Ibong Adarna Pass. Those 2 we highly recommend you guys check out because they're the best value.
So, super excited for All Aboard Expo 2026. Thank you, Hanz, for being a guest here at RD3. So, guys, let's give a round of applause for Hanz, Chief Meeple of Gaming Library. Thank you for letting us shoot for today.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, guys. Please follow Gaming Library on all of their socials and also pre-register for All Aboard Expo 2026. We're gonna put all of the links down below in the description. Also, please follow us RD3PH on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Thank you very much. See you on our next video, guys.